It's going to be really quick, simple, but also amazing. Okay, in the kitchen this evening. Another recipe which is cucumber, lime, ginger, parsley, lime, ginger, parsley, and lime and lemon, and you know what I mean, all of these little bits and pieces you can also use, but very good for the skin, very good for, you know what I mean, a lot more things for the immune system, detoxing up the body, and you know what I mean, cleansing up the gut, and yeah, it's just very good for the immune system. And that's what I want to drink this evening, so I decided to come in the kitchen and do this recipe with you guys this evening. So hope you will enjoy it. It's not going to be a very long video. It's going to be very short, spicy, and very quick, easy, and simple. All right, so what we're going to do, let's jump straight into it and share it. Let me get my blender. My blender is not so beautiful like before. It's a little bit messy to the amount of blending. I don't understand why they go this color, because it's a brand new blender. But it just changed color. But anyway, it's a good vibes. But I know it's a very beautiful recipe, and I know you guys will love it. So, to be honest, I'm going to jump straight into it. I'm going to jump straight into this recipe this evening with you guys. So the first thing, what we're going to do, all right, we're going to put some parsley into the blender right here. So this is the parsley, a large portion of parsley I'm going to be used into the blender. You can chop it up finely, or you can just use it whole like what I've been doing. I didn't chop it up. It is parsley, and this one is the flat parsley. All right, so we're gonna get some lime. You can use lemon if you like to, but today I'm using some fresh lime, and I'm gonna put that lime straight inside of it. I'm using one medium-sized lime. Yeah, so that's one medium-sized lime. Okay, and now we're going to get a piece of ginger. All right, this is some fresh ginger I'm going to be using. Yeah, inside of it. All right, that's the fresh ginger, and I'm going to tell you, this is a recipe where it's just excellent, very good for the immune system, very good to detox the immune system, very good to cleanse up the immune system. And what we're going to be doing, we're going to be putting some green apple inside of it, so that's going to make it even much more effective with the green apple. Okay, so let's go and get some green apple inside of it, because I know you guys are gonna love the green apple. Really beautiful recipe to make at home. If you're looking for something to do excellent at home, this is it right here. All right, so let's get a medium size green apple. All right, that's the green apple. Let's put that green apple into it. All right, so that's it. That's the green apple. I'm using a medium-sized one. Green apple, very, very good for the skin, very good for bacteria in the gut, and a lot more. Sometimes you can challenge yourself, and what you can do is eat a green apple every single day. Challenge yourself and get yourself a green apple every day. Earsism, big up yourself. Joy, thank you so much. James, big up yourself. Deborah, big up yourself. Freeze up the whole place, guys. Thank you so much for the support. Really appreciate it. You know what I mean? Yeah, definitely. You don't know the thing, go. It's just amazing. This evening, giving us something in the kitchen. All right? Yeah. So, everything looking good so far with this an amazing recipe. Craig, big up yourself, man. Just put on the gold crater. So look at the gold crater, guys. All right, amazing. Yeah, man. So let's get some cucumber, and that's what we're gonna be doing right here. I'm gonna put some fresh cucumber in it. Yeah. All right. That's the cucumber. Yeah. That's the cucumber right there, guys. Amazing. Beautiful. So the beautiful thing about this drink, you don't need to add any sugar, honey, or sweetener. Nothing. That's natural as it is right there. Okay? That I would recommend it to you to drink at home. Alright? So that's the cucumber right here. So we just use half of a cucumber into it to give it the flavor and the taste and the texture. Alright? Now, the next step we want to do is add a little bit of water into it. All right, roughly about a cup of water into it. That is amazing. Long time I don't do something during the day like this, and I decided to do this one today. Put on the lid. And that's the way it looks, guys. This is fantastic. All right, big up all of the. All right, MC Ledge, big up yourself. Thank you so much, and every one of you guys who come in and supporting the progress of this simple little recipe during the day today. What we're gonna do, we're gonna blend it up, and before we blend, just to remind you guys, you can also get yourself a copy of my book, From Poverty to Purpose, Chef Ricardo Secret Recipes to Success. It's available for every one of you guys to get yourself a copy of the book. Let's blend and make some noise. Excellent. All right, this is how it look. What we're gonna do, remove that right here. You don't have to strain it, but you don't have to strain it, but to be honest, it's going to be really heavy. So we got parsley. That's the first ingredients inside of it. We got lime, we got ginger, we got green apple, and we got cucumber inside of it, and water. All right, amazing recipe. So you guys, yeah, so parsley, green apple, ginger, lemon, or you can use lime, cucumber, water, anything else you want to add to it, it's up to you. Okay, so we have make sure we got parsley, green apple, ginger, lemon, or you can use lime, cucumber. All right, yeah, and some water. Make sure everything is there. So a good vibes. So which one you want to use is up to you. All right, guys, make yourself available to the one which you want to use, and yeah, make it work at home. So what we're gonna do, going to run it through this strainer. So this strainer, the holes on the inside of it is a little bit more bigger than the normal strainer which I normally use. There's a lot of the bits will go through it. So you pour it out like this, and then use a spoon. You don't have to strain it, but it's going to be heavy unless you want to blend it a little bit more longer. Yeah. It's a long time I don't do something like this for you guys. So every time I get the chance to make one of these nice heavy juice, I definitely have to do it. Tomorrow I may do another one because I have some ingredients which I'm using up at the moment. So this is one. All right. There are more can come out of it. Squeeze it some more, but I'm gonna put this aside because that will take a little bit of time, to be honest with you. Then what we're gonna do, we're gonna pour it out into a cup and see how this will. Oh yeah, look at that. Oh yes. All right, so right there, that's the amazing juice which I just make for you guys to try at home. So if you guys are looking for something fantastic and an amazing, something which is very good for your skin, something which is very good for your immune system, for the gut, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna try this. Wow, refreshing and an amazing. And also you got the bits inside of it. So that's really nice. Parsley, cucumber, ginger, lime, or you can use lemon. And also we have green apple inside of it and water. Make this beautiful drink at home. That is delicious, honestly. Very, very delicious. So what you can do, make 2 portions of it. 1 in the morning, 1 in the evening. You do that every day because you can blend it fresh every day. 1 in the morning, 1 in the evening. 1 in the morning, 1 in the evening, or 1 afternoon. It's up to you. You know what I mean? But definitely give this a try. It's something different to make at home. A good vibes. Wow. That was amazing. Remember, get on yourself a copy and support the progress. All right, guys? Yeah, man. Good vibes. So, guys, as I say, you can see, I just... Lala, big up yourself. Mary, big up yourself, man. Thank you so much. You're welcome. Big up on yourself, beautiful people. Something very... Ears is in. Well, go on. Craig is in the building. All right? Big up all of the beautiful people. Mary, big up yourself. Thank you so much for each and every one of you guys. Much love. Nice drink. 100%. Thank you so much. I really appreciate it. Every one of you guys who take the time come and support this afternoon show. Tonight, 11 o'clock, we go live to give you an amazing recipe. All right, guys? Just to tell you, the week is just start and the week start positive. All right? Lots of love. And yeah, just remember, God is the greatest. All right? Okay. Thank you so much, Oko. Thank you so much. Amazing idea. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. All right. Yes, Lala, make sure you get yourself ready for the summer. All right. Make sure you we appreciate you. Yo, we appreciate you too coming on the show and share some love, Mary. Big up yourself wherever you are in this world. Lots of love. And thank you so much, guys. You guys are amazing, beautiful people, never met before. But the most important thing, God is the greatest. Nothing above God. Anything above God cannot exist. Okay, guys? Just remember that. God is God. And anything above God cannot exist because God first and God create everything into being. All right? So check out Lala YouTube channel, beautiful people, and Mary do some bits and pieces over there. Check out our YouTube channel also and support them, man. It's an amazing. Long time I don't see Esther Delicious. She look like she's hiding from my show now. Craig, thank you so much. Here's is him and the beautiful people who are coming on the show and supporting me. You guys are amazing. Okay? Have a beautiful evening wherever you are, or a beautiful morning wherever you are. And may the good Lord in heaven bless you, guide you, and protect you. Joy, big up yourself. Thank you so much, man. Really appreciate it. Make sure you have a wonderful Easter. All right? Yes. We love you guys. Thank you so much. Every one of you guys. Join me tonight for free. We might do a high blood pressure tea tonight. Keep the body active. Ears is in every time. Taking care of yourself, my brother. Lots of love from Chef Ricardo to you guys. You guys are amazing. Beautiful people. Never met before. But the love is greater than anything you can expect. All right? The love is greater than anything what you can expect. That is amazing. That is amazing. May the good Lord bless you. I'll see you guys later on, man.